yun lang binili ng PNOC, ano? Binili nyo yun, 20 billion yung ang puhunan, ano? Okay.
Apa, don't say 12 actually. Kasi 1 million pa lang binibili namin. Kasi yun nga, hindi naman madagdagan kasi wala nang paglalagyan.
Okay. Nung dumating dito, binebenta nyo ba yun?
Anthony, yung magmi-meeting ako mamaya sa PNOC, no? Kasi mas mura to kumpara sa today na presyo, no? And what I don't want is somebody making money out of what PNOC bought. Baka bili ng iba at benta nila mahal, no?
Yeah, that's right.
So, correct. So one good option is to sell it to power plants, no? To keep our prices, our power. Marami din mga option. May pwede din kami mag-fuel swapping imbis na pairing exchange, kundi we'll just get oil in return para ma-maintain lang ng mga companies yung inventory level nila. Kasi may mga risk pa naman no? It's possible na supplier nila ayaw na mag-supply because of force majeure dahil sa gera, mga ganun. So, we're trying to figure out pa kung ano yung trading mechanism namin. We'll report once we have it. Today pa lang kami mag-draft actually ng mga rules on sino pwede bumili at how much do we sell it to them.
And with what's happening na medyo maliit ang capacity natin to store fuel, meron ba kayong mga plano ngayon kahit na in the long term or in the short term na magtayo ng mga dipo? Matagal ba yan?
Din, pero kahit matagal yan, kailangan umpisahan natin. Ano? Ako, I'm really supportive of that. Tsaka kahit hindi lang dipo, kahit refinery, dapat dagdagan natin. Kasi mas mura, makita nyo man yung presyo ng petrol, mas mura at mas diversified siya. So hopefully, Congress and Senate have been busy with the hearings, and hopefully that would be one of their proposals and provide the budget for that.